I'm here with Paul, and he gave me an axe, and he's gonna let me throw it at that board because America.
And he has a pretty good beard. So
it's not a bad beard. All right, cool. You want to hold the camera?
I'll hold the camera for you, Bobo. Biking with Bobo is now throwing action.
You gotta do like a little freestyle.
You have to.
You can't just throw it. You gotta line up your opponent, assess the danger.
No! Bobo! Hanson. Applause for Bobo.
Sweet. Yeah. And your company is?
My company is Grinding Axes. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and we're working on our Twitter and stuff. We kind of suck at it.
I've been trying to find the Twitter for years. Yo, what up? On today's episode, I'm kicking it in Johnson City, Tennessee. Behind me is the man, the myth, the legend himself, Troy Dubs. Can I find Troy Dubs? Sure. Troy Dubs from Handup Gloves. And Cody's around here somewhere. Cody! Where's Cody? Oh, I was heading right for the bathroom. I was like, I hope he's ready.
I'm on the shooter.
Have you seen the channel? Yeah. If you're on the toilet, you're gonna get featured.
That's a pretty low bar to get on the channel.
It is not a high standard.
Behold, the greatest leg apparel known to man, the Jordan.
Classic.
Oh.
Yeah.
Look what I can do!
I think I could do just about anything if I had that kind of range of motion.
Yeah.
What up? It's day 2, and today we're doing the group ride, and we're gonna ride a place called Tannery Knob, which is a brand new bike park here in Johnson City. It's like in the heart of downtown Johnson City, so you can like get some sweet downhill in and then cruise straight to the bar, which is over there somewhere. Look at all the fucking people here. What up, fellas? Look at that. That's a sharp looking jersey. Does
Anybody want a shuttle?
I think you just asked if anybody wants to shuttle. Here I am worried about how I'm going to get to the top when I should be more concerned about the qualifier for the Black Diamond. Look at this entrance into the Black Diamond here. This is ridiculous. If that doesn't make your butt pucker, I don't know what will. Yeah, I mean, it looks rocky, but nothing motivates you quite like No Choice. Besides, I can't look like a bitch. I can already feel some of these young guys staring me down. Look at him. He's already eyeing me. Look at that look. He's like king in the mountain, dude. King in the mountain. Let's see what this Black Diamond's all about. Starting how to get stuck. Woo! Whoa! Well, I gotta say, I underestimated this fucking place, y'all. Jesus! And you know what they say, assumptions make an ass out of me? And it's true. I feel like a prize fighter that just assumes his opponent's gonna be B. Arthur from the Golden Girls. And then I show up, and I gotta fight BOBO from the movie Friday.
Oh, shit!
That's not my pump!
Yeah, could you have found something a bit rockier? Oh, haven't done this yet, damn it. I need more speed. Rock garden. Everybody thinks that you're motherfucking technical. Wow. Oh. Woo. We got horse face to your left. And seated directly behind the camera is a horse's ass, who should have known what he was getting himself into. Nice. Damn, this is kind of wind rock like. I was not, wow, prepared. Woo! Yeah, hats off to whoever built this place, because I just happen to have a great appreciation for any trail that jeopardizes my well-being. Oh yeah, oh it's dusty. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Wow. God. Off camber as fuck. But I'm stoked to have finally gotten the chance to ride with the Handup guys. I mean, Sam here, he's a beast. Cody, he's an ex-motocrosser, also a beast. And me, well, I used to live in Florida. Woo! Oh, holy crap. This is crazy. Woo! Oh. Damn it. Oh, God. Okay. Shit. No.
Have you seen the channel? Following Cody, my Brody from Handup Gloves, down this blue jump trail. See if I can clear some of these. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Oh, coming in hot. Oh, almost. Case it. Yeah. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah. That was dope. I'm gonna see if I can clear this rock section this time. Get a little redemption. And see, I'm down in the woods right now, so the people waiting up there, they don't know that I'm resting. They just think I'm taking my time. This is called cheating. If you ain't cheating, you ain't trying hard enough. All right, I'm gonna clear this bitch this time. Everybody's gonna be impressed. Ah! And no one's even here. I almost made it.
And since no one was around, we thought it'd be a good time to bust out Handup's new onesies for mountain bikers. And shit started to quickly get weird.
I should have known that hanging out with the Handup guys would end in a romper situation.
All in all, I was blown away by this bike park. Tannery Knob is scheduled to open very soon. When? I don't fucking know. Probably should have asked somebody that. But until then, go to handupgloves.com, use the promo code BOBO 2017 for a sweet discount, and support them because they support me. And who knows, maybe someday I'll have my very own pair of BOBO Handup Gloves. But what should they be? What would they look like? Hit me up in the comments below and let me know.
All right, so I just want to say a big thanks to Troy, to Cody, to Sam. I think he's dropping a deuce right now, but anyways.
For sure is.
Yeah, he is. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for inviting me out. I had a blast. Don't forget to get your Handup Gloves today and sweet apparel. Rompers coming soon. Maybe. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all that stuff. You've been biking with BOBO. Peace.